Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. One of the customer has called me this fridge. It's not cooling. See 17 degrees Celsius, so it's not enough cool. So let's see what is the problem. First problem is condenser. See condenser is too dirty. We have to clean it. But the second problem, see fan is not running, but compressor is running. Compressor is okay. Compressor is running, but fan is not running. So fan has been jammed. So this is the main problem, main fault, the fan motor, condenser fan motor, and we have to clean the condenser very nicely. So dear viewers, this is the fan motor new. So right now I don't have same design, same model. So I have to change the another model. So I have to change the plate also.